Okay, it's Freebie Friday. Alright, Freebie Friday. Today, this morning, tonight. Let's see, today, I'll have to check my pile and see what I got. Because I never plan any of these. I kind of just do it on a whim. And like all the other videos, I don't know if the item works or not yet. I usually just bring it here and kind of shove it in my little rat hole right over there. It's really not a hole, but more of a hoarder's pile in training. Okay, so let me go grab it real quick and we'll take a look. Another one. This one is another LG, model number 47 LE 5400. Didn't I already do one of these? I thought I did do one of these. Okay, so no, I have not done one of these. The last one that was similar to this was a Samsung. I know, they all kind of start blending together. So let's take a look here. I'll plug it in and see what we got. Okay. I heard a click. Oh. Hey, where'd you go? Alright, we got some weird lines. Okay, I'm going to plug in an HDMI real quick and we'll see what it actually looks like. Oh, the way over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's what we're working with here. Basically what I'm going to do is take the back off and fuck with the ribbon cables. Or maybe it's a capacitor. I guess we'll find out. Let's take it apart. Get my trusty sheet. Uh-oh, looks like somebody broke a screw. And it wasn't me. Why you no come? Oh crap, this stuff's tiny. Well, I don't think I'm going to be fixing this one. Alright, well, this stuff is tiny. I don't think I'll be fixing this one. But it almost seems like it's more of a ribbon cable problem. I'll go ahead and tighten down these just in case. Those are kind of loose. That one was loose. That one was loose. Go ahead and make sure these are nice and tight also. Oh, that one's... Holy crap, that was really loose. I thought it was stripped out, but it was loose. Unless somebody's already been in this before, which it's possible. Okay, I might hook up the... Well, you know what we're going to do first is we're just going to start taking off all of these ribbons and cables on everything and reseat them. I'm just taking a quick look at the underside just to see if there's any damage on them or something. Just to make it look like I know what I'm doing. I could take this whole plate off just to reseat these, but I think I can get it. Oh, fuck it, I'll just take it off. Sorry for the lighting, there isn't a whole bunch right over here. Might as well pull these ones off real quick as well. I know they say don't pull on the wires, but I pull on the wires. But who's they anyway? Okay, throw this back on real quick. Now I'm going to throw the stand back on it so I can stand it up, and I want to plug it back in because I know I've seen a lot of videos where TVs will have their problems similar to this one, and it might have been just ground screws. At least that's what I'm hoping. I don't even think these are the right screws. Yeah, as long as it doesn't fall over, I'm good with that. Okay, let's plug her in. Haha. Are you fucking kidding me? No signal. Holy shit balls, man. Would you look at that? Fucking works. That might have been the easiest fix. I know I already had a easiest fix TV, but come on now. What the fuck was that? I'm pretty sure it was only the ground screws. Actually, I'm just gonna say the problem was the ground screws. Kinda looks like I've got a really big forehead there. Okay, people. Check the ground screws if you got it all fuzzy and weird like. You saw it. All I did was, yeah, I unplugged all the ribbon cables, but I'm pretty sure that was not the case. Woo! 47 LE 5400. I guess we could look up some specs real quick and see. What did I say? 5400? 47. Okay. Let's see what Amazon has to say. It's a 2010 model, 120 Hz LED HDTV with internet applications. So I guess it's a smart TV. Oh, maybe you need a Wi-Fi adapter if there's not one built in. I don't know if there's one built in. I don't have a remote. Okay, maybe you need some sort of wireless adapter. How much are you worth? Oh, okay, well, right over here it says shop now for $1,796. Overstock $1,244. That ain't bad for a free TV that I just tightened a couple of screws on. Nice. Okay. All right. So that was awesome. All I did was tighten some screws. Pretty much, I would say that would be the easiest fix I've ever done on a TV. That other one I did was pretty easy too, but this one was just as easy. Tightening a couple of screws. Come on, really? People are gonna throw away their TV because of that. You saw it. You saw what it looked like, right? Hokey hokey. Smoky? Pew! I guess I could put it back together. So yeah, that was a quick Freebie Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed what I had to show you because I sure had a great time taking it apart. It was quick, but whatever. Alright, so we will see you guys next week. Okay, whoever comments first, I will ship this out to you right away. Ready, go. Come on now, I'm not going to ship out a TV. You know how much that costs? Actually, I have no idea how much it would cost. How much? And I'm not shipping it out. I'm going to sell it on Craigslist. Anybody want to buy a TV? Alright, we'll see you guys later. Yeah, it's a 47. The guy, yeah. 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 TV. Okay. Yeah. I think I got the rest of the video for that part.